oppose either way. There's a chance of winning the presidency.
Well, I think we owe it to the people, no, that the electorate will not be subverted by any of their choices. So, although it is a personal decision, I think they should be able to pursue it. Na ang magiging presidente po ay napili po not because on a mere technicality, kung hindi kagustuhan mo talaga ng taong bayan yan, based on their program of government, based on their performance, based on their character and integrity. At ang aming kandidato naman po ay hindi po rin mismo doon. And on the part of Duterte, may I add, Ryan, on the part of Duterte, it was announced, I think, yesterday that he has unirrevocably, unconditionally renouncing his intention to run for president. My point is that I think the LP should take advantage of it. I think the LP should capitalize on it. No? Kaya my suggestion to the LP hierarchy is to appoint him as the DILG secretary or a traffic charge that would supervise the traffic situation in Metro Manila. And let us take advantage of his talent, his popularity. Naging mayor po siya ng Davao at napaganda naman po ang Davao. That's all?
He's still the mayor of Davao.
He's a multi-awarded mayor of Davao and napaganda yung Davao, napatino yung Davao, I think. No, yung kanyang talents, ang kanyang personality will put into good use if we will be appointing him as the next DILG secretary, if not the traffic point guard in Metro Manila.